What if I told you that the grass stains, sweat, and mud covering your child's soccer jersey after every World Cup-inspired practice match aren't actually permanent, even though they look completely hopeless right now? What if there's a specific laundry sequence that removes these stains completely, instead of just fading them slightly? With the World Cup happening right now in 2026, and kids everywhere inspired to play, I tested every method I could find on my son's destroyed practice jersey. Stay with me, because this will save your little athlete's gear all season long. The jersey that looked beyond saving. With the World Cup fever sweeping through every household this year, my son hasn't taken off his cleats since the tournament started. Every evening after practice, he comes home looking like he played in mud rather than grass. And his favorite jersey, the one he insists on wearing constantly because it reminds him of his favorite player, was developing permanent-looking green grass stains, yellow sweat rings under the arms, and ground-in mud that regular washing wasn't touching. I'd thrown it in the regular wash multiple times, and each time it came out only slightly improved, the stains fading marginally but never disappearing. I was facing a genuine dilemma. This jersey meant everything to him during World Cup season, watching his heroes on TV and trying to replicate their moves in the backyard. I couldn't just give up and buy a new one for every stain. So I researched proper sports laundry techniques, specifically designed for the combination of stains young athletes create: grass, dirt, sweat, and sometimes blood from scraped knees. What I learned about treating each stain type specifically, rather than just throwing everything into one wash cycle, completely changed our laundry routine for the entire season. Before I reveal this complete stain treatment system for young athletes' sports gear, if you have a little soccer player whose jerseys constantly look ruined, hit that like button right now. And if you want practical solutions for managing sports laundry all season, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because this will save your child's favorite gear. Now let's get into it. Understanding multiple stain types. Here's what most parents miss. A single soccer jersey often has 3 completely different stain types requiring different treatments. Grass stains are plant-based and respond well to enzyme treatments. Sweat stains are protein-based and need different enzymatic action, plus sometimes mild acid treatment for yellowing. Dirt and mud are simply particulate matter requiring mechanical removal plus surfactant action. Treating all 3 the same way in one generic wash explains why results are often disappointing. The washing sequence. After pre-treatment, wash in the warmest water the fabric care label allows, since heat helps activate enzyme cleaners and break down protein-based sweat stains. Use a detergent specifically formulated with enzymes for sports stains, checking ingredient labels for protease and amylase enzymes, which target protein and starch-based stains respectively. Avoid fabric softener on performance fabric jerseys, as it can reduce moisture-wicking properties that many athletic jerseys are designed with. The results after implementation. Using this sequence, my son's favorite jersey came back looking dramatically better than my previous one-size-fits-all washing approach. The grass stains lightened significantly with the alcohol pre-treatment, the sweat yellowing reduced with baking soda paste. Combined with proper enzyme detergent in warm water, the overall jersey looked genuinely clean rather than just slightly less dirty. Maintaining gear all season. With the World Cup excitement keeping kids playing constantly this summer, I now keep a small stain treatment kit ready: rubbing alcohol, baking soda, and a soft brush for dried mud, positioned right by our laundry area for immediate post-practice treatment, rather than letting stains set for days before addressing them. Now you know the laundry secrets for young soccer stars during this exciting World Cup season. Identify your stain type, pre-treat immediately, then wash with enzyme detergent in warm water. If this just saved your little athlete's favorite jersey, smash that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell for more practical parenting and laundry solutions. Share with any soccer parent fighting stained jerseys this season. Comment what stain you're tackling next. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, treat stains specifically, act quickly, and keep your little champion's gear ready for the next match.